created this look without any concealer. I'm about to show you a game-changing makeup tip that does not require any concealer. I have no concealer here. So what am I doing here that's giving me that light, creamy coverage and yet lifting my under eye area without the heaviness of a concealer? Let's find out. It is important to understand the right product and the right application technique if you want your under eye area to look lifted and brighter. So I want you to start with an eye serum instead of a rich eye cream. A rich eye cream can make your makeup slide and glide from its place and settle in wrinkles. I use this Eye Revive Firming Serum from City Beauty that visibly hydrates, firms and tightens the skin around the delicate eye area. It effectively reduces the look of fine lines and wrinkles. I'm now going to use Mented Cosmetics Skin Foundation in the shade L10. I warm up this foundation between my fingertips and tap it all the way between my inner corners, going up to the outer corners. This gives you a lift not just under your eyes but also both on your inner and outer corners. Notice that I'm not going to change my foundation. I am using the exact same shade L10 on my whole face with a makeup brush. So Mented has these two brushes. This one gives me a lighter coverage and this one is for heavier coverage. So if you see these few acne spots, I'm literally going to use the same foundation but with a different, denser brush in this area to give me a better coverage. Because this foundation can easily create a light, a medium or a full coverage. I use it differently in different areas of my face. I'm of the firm opinion that it is the application technique that is more important than just buying multiple products. You can now choose between Mented Foundation Stick that is 2 to 3 shades darker than your regular foundation shade to contour your face. Or you can even use one of their bronzers. So this shade is Beach Bum. It is perfect for girls with lighter or olive skin tone. I like Vacay, which is a little bit deeper and helps create very natural contour without any orangey tones that most bronzers have. The reason this trick works is once you contour your cheeks and your forehead, you are automatically highlighting the lighter part around your eyes without having to use a separate shade which is lighter than your regular foundation shade. Complete this look with a desired eyeshadow, blush and lipstick and voila! Here is my complete look that stays put in its place throughout the day. If this makeup tip simplified your makeup routine and made it more effective, then make sure you follow me for more and hit that like button below. Save this video and definitely try it out and let me know how it worked out for you. When you shop your favorite products from Mented Cosmetics, which is a makeup brand designed for women of color, don't forget to use my promo code me-Parmita to get 10% off. The link will be in my description below in my pinned comment. If you're watching this on YouTube or if you're watching this on Instagram, it will be linked in my bio. This is Parmita Katkar, your image coach, signing off for today. Hope this video gave you a reason to blush with me.